I will now call upon Reverend Brother Simon to present the annual report of St. Francis PU College.
Honorable Chief Guest Sri Om Prakash IPS, Additional Director General of Police Karnataka, Guest of Honor Reverend Dr. Jose Aikira, Principal of DePaul International Residential School, Mysore, Reverend Brother Samuel Kaknat, our Provincial, distinguished guests, beloved parents, and my dear students. Time rolls ceaselessly. The whole year has passed by, and I stand before you yet again to proudly present the annual report of St. Francis PU College. Dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on this very special evening, an evening when I place before you the ever-increasing achievements of our college. As parents, guardians, and well-wishers, all of you are a part of St. Francis, and I invite each one of you to join me in honoring its achievers and thank the people behind it. St. Francis PU College is a branch of Sevasathan institutions at Koramangala, run by the Society of Franciscan Missionary Brothers, who have dedicated themselves for the past 100 years or more to serve the needy and the downtrodden, not only in India, but all over the world. It has been a not so long, but eventful journey from 2001, when we started St. Francis PU College formally. Under the able guidance of the first principal, Reverend Jose Thuresil, and then under the dynamic leadership of Reverend Peter Lamos, the college grew steadily. St. Francis PU College is another feather in the cap of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers. The college is a young and vibrant institution which has already made its impact in the locality. Education with character and excellence is the motto of the college. Under its standards, the college strives to prepare the students for the challenges of the 21st century and to provide quality education in order to make young students better people living the core values of humility, justice, honesty, truthfulness, respect for life and nature. We want the students who come here to leave us as confident young men and women who are able to make the most of the opportunities life will offer them. The college offers courses in all the three streams: science, commerce, and arts. In science, we have three combinations, namely PCMB, biology as the main, PCMC, computer as the main, and PCME, electronics as the main. Commerce, we have two combinations, EBAC and HEBA. And in arts, we have one combination, HESP. The curriculum, method of instruction, discipline, general atmosphere, and the tone of the college are strictly supervised and guided by the college management. The panel of trained and dedicated teaching faculty enable in realizing the objectives of the institution. Each department takes utmost care to equip students in adequate knowledge. A teacher's life is not a fossilized rock. It is a living stream of knowledge which he or she pours into his or her students. Quite naturally, one has to keep abreast of the ever-increasing knowledge in the contemporary world. In becoming a teacher, one thus becomes a student for life. To prevent rusting, to keep shining in use, to better equip our students with knowledge, our teachers therefore constantly engage themselves in study and research work, go through orientation and refresher courses, take part in workshops, attend seminars, and present papers. Academic performance, tests, and examinations. The college will set apart a well-settled annual plan at the very beginning of every academic year. The main focus of the institution is academic excellence apart from all other activities of the college. To achieve better performance in academics, the college has introduced daily test pattern. The implementation of this very strictly resulted in success as students have taken it positively. Apart from this, exams are conducted periodically to measure students' progress on each subject. Teachers also undertake remedial coaching classes for the students, those who are really in need of, which helped a balanced classroom atmosphere during the regular classes. The staff also encourages the students to expand the knowledge of their subjects by preparing various projects and making illustrious presentations in the classroom. College facilities. St. Francis PU College provides an extremely healthy teaching and learning atmosphere for all the students. The campus with greenery all around and a large playground attracts many. The spacious classrooms with minimum capacity of 50 students, lecture halls with seating capacity of 100 students, fully equipped labs and laboratories, and steadily growing library with an existing range of books on numerous subjects make our students to experience a new method of learning in our college. College also provides internet facilities for both students and parents. One web page is set apart for each student that helps parents to see their vast progress in the college at home. Sports and games. No college account of its activities and achievements would be complete without a sporting wing. The Sports Department of St. Francis, under the able guidance of Mr. Arjun, the physical director, won various competitions conducted by PU Board and several intercollegiate tournaments in Bangalore. The college has a very good football, basketball, throwball, badminton, cricket, volleyball teams and enthusiastic athletes too. Our young sportsmen and women have also been selected for the state and national teams. Cultural activities. Our aim in St. Francis is to send out into the world young men and women who will contribute positively to the development of the nation and the welfare of the society. To fulfill this aim, we take care of not only to impart knowledge to our students, but also to build character and mold their personality. Thus, Cultural Department of our college organizes extracurricular activities. Talents Day is organized for a week to exhibit students' hidden talents. The college celebrates various important days like Kannada Rajyotsava, Teachers' Day, Students' Day, Ethnic Day, and all other important functions. Students are also encouraged to participate in intercollegiate cultural competitions conducted in various colleges, and our students excelled and won prizes for various competitions. The college realized these extracurricular activities help our students to fine-tune every facet of their personality, to give their creative and critical faculties free play, and to provide them with life skills, enable them to meet the challenges of this world head-on. Future plan. We have a dream to be accomplished, that is to make a new separate PU block for the college, which is under construction now, to provide better facilities and a quality education to our students. I would like to brief my report by asking you to join me in prayer to the Almighty to bless us to carry on the good works for the betterment of the institution and help us to make St. Francis continue to be an oasis for the seekers of quality education. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Simon.